Hi guys, tomvoyage here. Welcome back to another video. We've got a real quick video for you today. We're going to be doing a real-time pizza cook on the Ooni Karu 16. So today's pizza, we've got a chicken, mushroom, red onion, a bit of cheese on there. Just a nice simple pizza that everyone loves. And we're cooking on a mixture of coal and wood. Now, what you'll notice is that we've got a new pizza stone in here. This is the BISCOTTO pizza stone. And we're just gonna brush it down because when you're cooking on wood, you do get quite a bit of ash on the stone there. Okay, so give it a wobble, make sure everything's okay, and we'll get the pizza on. So cooking on this oven, we're looking for a pizza that's going to cook around 90 seconds. It might take a little bit longer, depends on how hot the stone is. But these BISCOTTO pizza stones are really good because they stay hotter for longer. The standard Ooni stone is only about 15 mil thick, whereas these are about twice that, so they retain more heat. Okay, so you can see the pizza is starting to bubble up at the back there. So we're going to turn it around now. Please excuse my skills using this pizza turning peel. I'm not a pro by any means and I'm still learning. But that's what this pizza channel is about, learning. Sometimes with the Karu 16 what you'll get is this glass here fogging up. It's a little bit of an issue, but if you just use a cloth once it's cooled down, it works really well to clean it. By the way, if you can hear the kids in the background, they've just come to join us outside, so please bear with me if they're making a bit of a racket. Normally I'd cook with the door closed, but today, so you guys can see, we'll leave it open. So you can see the cheese is bubbling there nicely. Let's turn it around to the other side. So it'll only take a few more seconds and we're done. So there you go, that's a real-time pizza cooked on the Ooni Karu 16. Cooked on wood and charcoal. See the bottom of the base there? So if you did enjoy this video, thanks very much. Please give me a like and a subscribe. If you want to buy one of these ovens for yourself, please click the link in the description below. And join us again for more pizza making videos. Right, I'm gonna go sort these kids out and get them fed. I think they're hungry for some pizza, don't you? See you later.